Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you through the steps to enable Telegram notifications, even when your device is shut down. This feature is a game changer for those who don't want to miss any important messages. So, let's dive right in. First, grab your Android device and open the Telegram app. Once you've opened it, look toward the top left corner of your screen. You'll find 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and tap on those. This will open the side menu, making navigation a breeze. Next, scroll down and find the Settings option. Give it a tap to enter the Settings menu. Here, you'll discover various customization options for your Telegram experience. Now, we're almost there. Look for Notifications and Sounds and tap on it. This section will allow you to manage all your notification preferences. Take a moment to explore, as there are a lot of useful features you may want to adjust. Finally, scroll down within the notifications settings until you see the option for Keep Alive service. Make sure to turn this feature on. By enabling the service, you ensure that Telegram can push notifications to your device, even when it might seem like it's powered down. And that's it. You're all set to receive Telegram notifications regardless of your phone's state. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.